electricians have been able to get it here to the workshop. It's a Sunday morning around 7 a.m. so I got a good start on the day. Today we're not even going to be able to get anything into scrap, so I'm just going to be trying to get stuff ready for scrap. The Firebird. Let me fill you in on this Firebird. The last video you guys seen me say I was thinking about maybe selling it. I was contacted by another derby channel and we talked, and he told me that he would like to buy the Firebird and build it, and he doesn't know if he's going to build it to run mini or full size at this point in time. But honestly, I said, you know what, I'm kind of upset with this Firebird and I know that you'll build it into a great car. So if you guys have not subscribed to Dan Hills on YouTube, make sure you head over to Dan Hills. I'll have the link to his channel down below. And he has actually bought this Firebird off me. He's going to come today and pick it up, and he is going to build it on his YouTube channel, and he's going to run it. I don't exactly know where he's going to take it yet, but I think that this Firebird is going to be in amazing hands with Dan Hills. Dan Hills has been a long-time derby driver. He's been derbying more than I've been alive. He is known for taking junkyard parts and making them into something great. He doesn't spend money on a lot of these big things like I do. Like, he doesn't have any headers that are ordered from Jeffy's Fab Farm or DEC headers or gray area. He doesn't have any huge aftermarket shifters like I buy. But he turns junkyard parts into amazing running automobiles to smash up. And he's been doing this for probably 35, 40 years. So Dan Hills is going to come and pick this car up today, and he's going to load it on his trailer. But let's see the state that I'm selling him this in, so you guys get a rough idea of what he's going to be starting with. So he's coming to get this with this motor. I don't even know if this motor is going to be in here and he comes and picks it up, because I might keep it, I might not keep it, I'm not sure. But it's a bare block with the transmission. He's getting the aluminum rims with the car. He's getting a hood with the car, it's just outside. It's still got side windows in it, but everything else is gone. And I don't know if he wants the hatch, but the back of it's completely stripped out. So make sure you guys click over and subscribe to Dan Hills. And he promised me that he would put up some build videos on this for you guys. And maybe I can even film him picking it up today. So that's the end of the Firebird here. And the main reason why I got rid of it is mostly because of time, guys. I'm working so much that I cannot really put the amount of effort into this Firebird that I really want to put into it. The time that I've already put into this Firebird, I could have built 2 Camrys. So I know that you guys are getting tired of the Camrys, but honestly, they're tough cars, they're good and quick to build, and let's face it, I have a lot of Camrys, including another Camry wagon, but I'm not sure what's happening with that one yet. But I have a lot of Camrys, so I might as well stick to what I know. So, alright guys, if Dan Hills comes and picks it up today, I'll definitely film it, and maybe I can even get a little quick interview with Dan Hills for you. So we got the Firebird pulled out of the shop here. And we got Dan Hills here to take this thing away. And like I said, guys, if you have not subscribed to Dan Hills' channels, make sure you get over there and subscribe to it. He told me that he's going to build this car and he's going to film the building, but he's not sure where it's going to go yet. Not even sure if it's going to run little car or big car yet. So what do you say, Dan?
I'm not sure. I don't know where I'm going to run it.
But Dan's got a very good habit of building some great cars, so it's always fun running against Dan. And who knows, maybe I'll be able to run against this car like I've actually ran against Burn Barrel in the past, so I don't know. It'd be a good run against it, that's for sure. So if you guys want to see this Firebird get built, make sure that you check out Dan Hills' YouTube channel, and make sure you like and subscribe to his channel, and make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. But take care, guys, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.
6 weeks from now?